did a little preparation for today last night, and watched The Italian Job on DVD like three times.
This is gonna be just like that. You watched it 3 times.
Yeah.
Man, that's dedication.
It's a late night.
Minnie appreciates that.
Well, hello there. I'm your host, Chef David Rodriguez, owner of the International Fine Dining Food Truck. And we are here at the Madison Club to pick up Chef Adam Streubing. And take him to the Buerling's house to make a wine dinner. Please join me inside.
Adam,
David,
how you doing, man?
good. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Welcome to Car to Table.
Thanks for having me.
I'd like to get on the road, get in that Mini and get out of here, but first, what are you bringing?
I got a couple gifts for the host. I got my favorite heirloom pumpkin varietal and another gift from the club, which we can open there. And then I'm gonna bring some fennel pollen and bee pollen.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well, I think we'll be making a beautiful wine dinner for the Buerlings, and I think they'll be looking forward to that. Let's hit the road.
Sounds good.
You want me to? I'll carry the pumpkin. There we go. So you're a chef, man. You keep chef hours. Is the Madison Club like any other restaurant in that way?
Yeah, for sure. Since we just had the renovation get done and the new restaurant, the basement casual spot, open up for breakfast, we're basically open 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. for food every day.
Wow.
Yeah, chef hours.
Are you a wine drinker?
I am.
Well, that's good, because today we're gonna kind of been doing a theme with the dinners, and today it's gonna be a wine dinner.
Oh.
So we have some wine from Square Wine Company, and then pair the food that I picked up at Metcalf's. Try to make something that you can pair with some wines. So.
Very nice.
You've been at the Madison Club for a while. What did you do before that?
So I was in culinary school in Milwaukee, at MATC, and then when I graduated, I randomly moved to Madison, started working at the club. Dan Fox hired me. This was his last hire before he started Heritage, and so I worked with him briefly, and then Chef Andrew Wilson after him for a while, and learned a lot from those guys.
And now you're the executive chef?
Yes, sir.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome. It's such a unique place to work, membership-based club, but anybody can come and have their wedding there and whatnot, and you get a lot of random requests, and it's never a boring day there.
I'm gonna have you go through and take a look at what we're cooking today.
Oh, some items. All right, we have some oyster mushrooms, very fun. Some tomatoes.
Some nice like heirloom.
Yeah, that'll be nice. I love that there's sweet corn in here. Perfect. I had a feeling. I had a guess.
Well, it's that time of year.
Well, the corn moon's coming up, so this will be perfect. Get you all excited for the season change. Some carrots. Got some shallots. Prime steaks. Perfect for a wine dinner.
Yeah, I think so. I was thinking, what am I hungry for?
That's a good way to pick. And then we got a bunch of cheeses here. Let's see. Got Satori, very nice. Buttermilk Blue from Roth, and then some cheddar from Kindred. Very nice.
Think you can work with that?
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, we'll see what they have in there.
That's what I'm most pumped about. I hope they purposely went to the store and bought like a bunch of weird stuff.
That'd be
Like
great.
I hope there's just like a bowl of intestines, like cow intestines.
Would you
something.
do it?
Oh, for sure.
So how long have you been cooking?
Since I was 16.
16 years old. Where was that first cooking job?
It was Culver's, actually.
Culver's?
Yeah, Grafton, Wisconsin.
Culver's in Grafton, man.
Yeah.
How long did you work there?
2 years.
That's inspiring me.
Actually, in the new restaurant at the club in the basement, we
Yeah.
put a Butterburger on the menu. So
Oh.
it's a little salute to the past, you know?
Sure. This is all making me very hungry.
Same.
Maybe grab a little snack here
It's a good idea.
at this regionally owned burger joint.
Oh, very nice.
Do you want anything?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
I'll be like a cone of like the flavor of the day.
That's a good idea.
Welcome to
Yeah.
Conference. How can we help you?
Yeah, I'll do a Butterburger Deluxe with everything on it and a cone of the flavor of the day.
In a dish or double soup?
How many scoops?
Just one.
One
One waffle cone though.
One scoop and a waffle cone.
All
Yeah.
right, 664.
Thank you. Actually, why don't you throw an order of cheese curds on there too?
All right, anything else?
That's it.
All right, 875 for you.
What is it? Cookie dough?
No, it's like
Nut butter?
caramel peanut something.
Man, that looks really good.
This is the house.
Yeah.
Cool.
You want some cheese curds or what? You guys want some of this cheeseburger? We are at the end of part 1 of episode 19 of Car to Table. When you return to watch part 2, Adam's going to make dinner for Eric and Tracy. It's going to be a beautiful steak dinner paired with wine. It's going to be amazing. Don't miss it. See you on the next one.